Hi students, welcome back. Let's continue with our subject computer graphics. So the next topic in the subject is the basic components of the interactive graphics system. So in the previous video I explained about what exactly the interactive and the non-interactive was. So the non-interactive is a passive and the interactive is an active. So that two terms that you have to be remember that. Okay, so interactive means it's just a communication will be there between the computer and the user, but in the non-interactive there is no the user does not have any kind of control over the system. Okay, so now let's see what are the basic components of the interactive graphic system. The basic components are input. The input are like mouse, tablet and the multi-touching, etc. Okay, and processing, that is a storage and for storage. And another component is display. A display is nothing but the output display, or you can call it as an output. So like screen, paper-based printers, video recorders. So these are all comes under this basic components of the interactive graphics system, because there should be a communication between the user and the computer. If there should be a the user has to interact with the input component, processing and the output. Now let me explain you the conceptual framework of interactive graphics. Let me write that. Conceptual framework for interactive graphics. Interactive graphics. So what are the conceptual frameworks for interactive graphics? Let me draw you this diagram. Let's take any application database. It's a database. Let's take, this is an application database, and here one application program will be there. Let's take one application program. Application program, and still you can take the graphic library. Graphic library. And another thing is the graphic system, or you can call it as a GPU. Graphic system or GPU, and the still that remaining, that is the system. It's a computer. Okay, a computer. So here up to graphic library, this completely comes under the software, and after graphic library this is the hardware part. So complete software and the hardware part. The software part, here the application database and the application programs and the graphic library is connected to the hardware system, that is the graphic system or the GPU, and this communicates to the system. So here what this graphic library will do. The graphic library, it is between the application program and the display. So this is the display part and this is the application program. So this graphic library is present in between the application program and the display unit, that is a display hardware. So there is a graphic library and the application program will be there. So here the application program, it maps all application objects. So this application program is going to map all application objects to images by invoking the graphics. So that's why it's a two-way communication. What this application program is doing, it maps all application objects to images by invoking the graphics. And what about this graphic system that is present in between the display unit and as well as the graphic library? So it's acting as an interface that interacts between the graphics and the hardware part. So this is a conceptual framework for interactive graphics. Thank you.